Today, we come from Mizoram to witness this historic event with a purpose. I repeat, we come with a purpose. As you know, the whole region of Northeast India is burning like a wildfire due to a citizenship amendment bill which was passed by Lok Sabha recently. Due to this bill, the people of North India has been alienated from the rest of the country. And the feeling of belongingness to this country in the minds of the Northeast people is fading away. Let me tell the Prime Minister of India, let me give him a warning through this rally that if this bill is enacted, India will no longer be a suitable place for us to remain. Therefore, we come here with a purpose to see that a new government is formed at the center, a real secular government, so that this bill is either withdrawn or an exemption is given to the Northeast. Today, the religious minorities, the ethnic minorities, and the language minorities are not safe in the hands of these combined forces of BJP, RSS, and Basrangdal. They are rewriting the history of this great country in their own way. They are interfering with our personal lives. They are telling us what to eat and what not to eat. They are telling us, they are interfering in our religious freedom. So, I have full faith and confidence that a leader who could transform the state of West Bengal within a short period of time will be able to transform the nation too. We are looking forward to see a new, real secular government at the center so that the people of Northeast are safely protected. Lastly, I appeal all the regional parties of Northeast to cut off, to break away from all kinds of connections with the BJP and join this great movement. Let us all unite together and fight against communalism. Thank you.